Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Anand Education Academy. In earlier classes, we study about what is income tax, then what is the tax, what is fees, what is penalty, and the brief history of income tax. In this class, we study about the levy of income tax. For levy of tax, all taxable income of a person is computed. The income arising from any of the following heads is chargeable to tax. For charging of the income tax, all the taxable income of a person is computed. No? The income arising from any of the following heads is chargeable to tax. The following five heads are there. Whatever the income is earned from that five heads will calculate and compute the taxable income. On that taxable income, we will charge the income tax. First head hai income from salary. Income from salary. Income from salary is the first head of income that is applicable to the salaried persons, the job holders who will receive the salary from the employer. Under this head, the income from salary will be calculated. Then income from house property. Income from house property is the second head of income, that is rent received from different houses provided for the rental basis. No, provided on the rental basis. Whatever the income is earned from the houses provided for the rent, that income is considered as a income from house property. Then profits and gains from business or profession. If the profit is earned from business or income is earned from the profession, no, that is also considered, that is computed under the head profits and gains of business or profession. Then capital gains. Capital gains, it is the fourth head. The income earned by transfer of capital asset is called as a capital gains. That capital gain is computed. Then the amount of taxable income will be computed. Then fifth head is income from other sources. Income from other sources is the head where the item which is not appeared in income from salary or income from house property or profits and gains of a business or profession or capital gains will appear in the income from other sources. No, this is the fifth head of income. Then comes, that is, there may be income from any of the above heads to a person. It may be the person is having the income from salary or income from house property or income from business or profession or capital gains or income from other sources also. There may be income from any of the above heads to a person. For each head of income, there are specific expenses to be allowed. For salary, income from salary, there are some expenses will be allowed. Income from house property, certain expenses will be allowed. Then income from business or profession, certain expenses will be allowed by the act. Then capital gains, some expenses will be allowed. Income from other sources also, some expenses will be allowed, so that the computation of the income will be computed separately in each head of income. Income from salary is computed separately, income from house property is computed separately, then income from business or profession is computed separately, then income from capital gains computed separately, then income from other sources is also computed separately. Then the total of such net amount from each head of income is called as the gross total income. Income from salary, income from house property, income from business or profession, or income from capital gains or income from other sources, totally we call it as a gross total income. Then there are some other permissible deductions under the act which are to be deducted from the gross total income. Then the balance is called as a taxable income. We calculate the taxable income separately in each head of income because the expenses allowed in each head are separate. No, that whatever the expenses are incurred in salary case, those are different. In whatever the expenses are incurred in income from profession, those are different. Then income from house property, those are different. So that what will happen, the different heads of income will be computed differently, separately. Then the total net amount from each head is totaled, and that total amount is called as a gross total income. We call it as a gross total income. Then other than those expenses deducted in a separate head, some other deductions will be allowed by the Income Tax Act 1961. Those deductions will be deducted from the gross total income. After deducting the permissible deductions from the gross total income, whatever the income comes, that is called as a taxable income. No, on that taxable income, slab wise we will calculate the tax as per the rates applicable in the assessment year. This is regarding the levy of tax. Thank you, one and all.